Want to study in a top New Zealand university with globally recognised degrees and even get scholarships? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'll show you exactly how you can study at Victoria University of Wellington. If you're planning to study abroad, this video could change your future. Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know about studying in New Zealand, with a special focus on this highly respected university. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you how to apply with zero service fees. Let's talk about why studying in New Zealand. Imagine studying in a country that's not only safe and beautiful, but also globally respected for its education. In New Zealand, you get internationally recognised degrees, practical career-focused learning, and post-study work opportunities. Let's talk about one of New Zealand's top universities, Victoria University of Wellington. Founded in 1897, this university is known for strong research programmes, industry-focused degrees and high graduate employability. Think modern city vibes plus waterfront views, creative culture and career opportunities all in one place. Victoria University of Wellington, located in Wellington, the capital city, this university puts you at the heart of opportunity. Excited to know popular courses? Here are some of the most popular courses international students choose. Engineering and Technology, Business and Management, Computer Science and IT, Environmental Science, Creative Arts and Media, and Law and International Relations. And yes, these degrees are globally recognised. Let's talk about costs, because I know that matters. For undergraduate fees, usually 29 to 40,000 New Zealand dollars yearly, and for postgraduate fees, usually 32 to 45,000 New Zealand dollars yearly. That's roughly 20 Bangladeshi takas to 32 lakh per year, depending on your course. But don't worry, scholarships can reduce this significantly. Let me tell you admission requirements. Here's what you need to apply. For undergraduate, 70 to 75% in HSC or equivalent. For postgraduate, 60 to 65% in bachelor's. English requirements: IELTS 6.0 to 6.5 depending on course or level of study, and TOEFL or PTE also widely accepted. Scholarships. Good news! Victoria University of Wellington offers guaranteed scholarships for Bangladeshi students. These are based on academic merit and programme selection. Undergraduate International Scholarship value New Zealand dollars 15,000 New Zealand dollars. Postgraduate International Scholarship value 10,000 New Zealand dollars. Remember, limited seats, so early application is key. Now here's the best part. You don't have to do this alone. International Admissions Service will guide you step by step from university selection to visa approval. Free admission guidance, scholarship support and full visa processing. And yes, no service charge at all. You could even get direct guidance from HM Mashur Rahman, a trusted expert with over a decade of experience in New Zealand admissions. If you're serious about studying in New Zealand, this is your moment. Book your free one-to-one consultation today with HM Mashur Rahman. Your global future starts today. Don't forget to comment your questions. I'm more than happy to assist you in every possible way.